Hello, welcome to the Tech Crazy channel. In this video, I will explain you about the meteorological terminologies. Means we shall discuss about the different terms used in the meteorology. First one is accuracy. Accuracy means it is a closeness of measured value to the true or known input value. Means it is how close that measured value approaches the actual input value. Suppose if you take the example, suppose if you are giving the, if you are, let us say, if you are measuring the dimension of a bar which is 10 mm, means let us say it is already exactly 10 mm, and if you are measuring the value by using the micrometer, then suppose if the micrometer shows 9.9 mm, then how close it is? So it is 0.1 mm closer to the actual value. Actual value is 10 mm, micrometer is showing the 9.9. And suppose if you take one more micrometer and if you check the dimension again, same diameter of same rod, so if it is showing the 9.95 mm, then it is more accurate than first micrometer. Means how actually that measured value approaches the actual value. Actual कितने उतना जितना नजदीक दिखाता है उतना हम accurate उसको बोल सकते हैं. Means it is a closeness of measured value to a true or known input value. Next is precision. Precision means it is a closeness of agreement between independent test result obtained under stipulated conditions. Means suppose if there is a one object, if you measure that dimension by using the any measuring instrument again and again, it should show same reading. That characteristic is called the precision. So if you measure this dimension today, it should show same reading. If you measure dimension tomorrow, it should show the same reading. Again and again means that characteristic of the measuring instrument is called the precision. So it is very important parameter. So these two parameters, accuracy and precision, so I have made separate video so in detail, so you can watch that video. So next is error. Error means it is a difference between true value and measured or indicated value. Suppose let us say if you want to measure the any error of the any measuring instrument, let us say input value is 10 mm, means we already know the dimension of the object, it is 10 mm. Suppose if the micrometer is showing the 9.9 mm, then error is difference between that both 10 minus 9.9, it is 0.1 mm error. That is difference between true value and the indicated value, so that is called the error. Range means it is the minimum and maximum value that measuring instrument can measure. So if you take the example, so it is a 15 centimeter scale. So how much it can measure? Minimum value it is 1 mm, because you can say, so here it is a 15 mm scale, for sorry 15 centimeter scale it is. So it can measure minimum 1 mm and maximum it is 15 centimeter. So that's why its range is 1 mm to 15 centimeter. Next is repeatability. So repeatability means it is a precision only. Means ability of measuring instrument to show the same output when you give the same input repeatedly again and again. बार बार सेम ऑब्जेक्ट को मेजर करने से वो बार बार सेम रीडिंग दिखाना चाहिए, सो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? दैट इज कॉल्ड द रिपीटेबिलिटी. नेक्स्ट इज रेस्पॉन्स टाइम. Response time means it is time taken by the any measuring instrument to show the change in input. To show the change in input. Suppose if you take the example of the weighing machines, where we can measure the weight. Suppose if you put some weight, so again in between if you change something weight, so to show at the output, so it takes certain time, उसको टाइम लगता है उसको शो करने के लिए, सो दैट टाइम इज कॉल्ड द रेस्पॉन्स टाइम. Next is stability. Stability means ability of instrument to show the that stable readings. Means it is, you can say, some instruments do not show the same reading, it will always going to fluctuate. Means that instruments are not stable. Stability is one of the important parameter of the measuring instruments to read the readings properly. अगर आपको proper reading लेने गए तो आपका जो भी instrument use करता है measuring instruments, that should be stable. So otherwise it will create confusion. So how much reading I should need to note down, how much reading I should need to take, so that will create the confusion. So that's why measuring instruments should be stable. Next is calibration. Calibration means it is checking of the errors present in the measuring instruments. That is checking of the errors present in the measuring instruments. Means error है क्या नहीं check करने का in measuring instruments. So that is called the calibrations. Because in industries, so after you use certain days, measuring instruments will generate some errors. Agar suppose if you take example of the micrometer, so if you use certain time, certain period of time, so that it will going to have some errors. उसको एडजस्ट करने का, कैलिब्रेशन मीन्स उसको एडजस्ट करने का, उसको एरर को मिनिमाइज करने का, सो उसको प्रॉपरली सेट करने का वापस, so that so it will going to reduce or remove the error. So that is called the calibration. Next is traceability. Traceability means it is a unbroken chain of relationship between different levels of standards. Suppose if you take the whatever the measuring instruments what we are using to measure the any particular objects, any particular dimensions, so they are traced to the international bureau of standards. How? देखो suppose let us say if it is a product of which dimension we want to measure, so in the industry, so that is inspected in the quality control and inspection department in the industries. So means by using certain measuring instruments, so that whatever the measuring instruments, so that is going to checked by the, that is going to referred by the plant standards laboratories. So every industry will have their own laboratories, their own standards, where accuracy of the measuring instruments will be checked, means error will be checked. So that plant standards will be checked with the NABL accredited professional labs. NABL means it is National Accreditation for Testing and Calibration Labs. Okay, so these labs will going to compare the whatever their dimensions with the National Bureau of Standards, means it is, that is National Physical Laboratory in India it is. So National Bureau of Standards, so and that National Bureau of Standards dimensions will be compared with the International Bureau of Standards, means it is a unbroken chain between different levels of standards, from international to national, national to NABL, NABL to plant standards, plant standards to the, so these are called the working standards. Okay, so there are different level of standards: primary standards, secondary standards, tertiary standards and working standards. So this is primary, this is secondary, this all comes under the tertiary standards, and it is a working standards. So next is need of inspection. So why we need to make the inspection of the objects, means why we need to check the डायमेंशंस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट वंस वी मैन्युफैक्चर इन द इंडस्ट्री। इंडस्ट्री में उसको कौन सा भी एक ऑब्जेक्ट को मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करने के बाद उसको चेक करने की जरूरत क्या है, व्हाई वी नीड इट। सो इंस्पेक्शन इज नेसेसरी to check all materials, products and component parts at various stages during the manufacturing, assembly, packaging and installations. So it is necessary to check. Okay, so why we need to check it? Suppose if you see in the recent industrial environment. So in recent industrial environment you can see that the whatever the mass production system is based on interchangeability. So what is meaning of interchangeability? Suppose if there is a assembly of nut and bolt, both nut and bolt will not be manufactured in the same industry. Nut will be manufactured in the one industry and bolt will be manufactured in the other industries, and both will be assembled at third industry. So agar when you make the assembly of both nut and bolt, it will be assembled properly if the dimensions are properly maintained, if the tolerance is properly maintained. So that's why you need to make the proper inspections. So that is called the interchangeability. So in industry some parts of the component manufactured are produced in house, means खुद के industry में manufacture होता है some parts are purchased from the outside sources, means from other industries, then assembled at one place. So in this case when you assemble, if that dimensions are properly maintained, then they will assembled properly. Otherwise, so it is not possible. So that's why we need to have the proper inspection of the each and every part at different stages of manufacturing. So thank you for watching this video. So I request you to please like, share and subscribe to the channel. So I will see you in the next video. Bye, see you.